If you want to stand out, then you need to take the extra step, where you can leverage on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your skills or achievements to prospective employers or business opportunities. You'll be able to do something like this. But what you can do is something like this. You need a more unique platform to echo out your skills and capacity. This online short course will show you how to build a unique personal portfolio website where managers, employers, and individuals can see your worth and become intrigued. You will learn how to design your own portfolio website using HTML and CSS. You will get familiar with the web mockup language and the cascading style sheet that makes the whole thing look so beautiful. This course is 100% free. No prior knowledge in coding is required. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. Click on the link attached to this video to enroll.